Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Lyca mobile eSIM. And I'm going to show you this for both iOS and Android. So on the iOS, just go ahead and open up your settings, okay? And then click on mobile data. Then just go ahead and click on add eSIM. Now this will open up the QR code scanner, okay? You just go ahead and scan that, follow the prompt, scan your QR code for your eSIM, and then start your installation. Now for Android, you just want to go ahead to your device's settings option. Okay, the same thing so far. Then now here, you want to click on a network and internet or connections, right? That will be labeled depending on your Android device, okay, depending on your version. Then I want you to tap on add mobile network and just go ahead and select download a SIM or add eSIM. I want you to select add eSIM. Just go ahead and scan your eSIM QR code and you can start your installation that way. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.